Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublay pi baro kinigilong ki khubor bam takasni. Menagashi tarik urimpang arhajar arpsau kajingyalang jengka Business Advisory Committee BAC kalashim karai ban pelong ka Dorbar Mang Tyngka ka jalan aduk ka khatndu tarik rimpang haduk ka arhnyu tarik rimpang yaitu Thomas Sangma ubade ulampang ka yung Dorbar Tauan ka jala. Thomas esangma habayatu ishkilat pathai kubor uyatu komiti kala menjur ban bu laisngi kum kasngi yatai ki kamba wanra da ki dukhat ba shimet private member business but sansngi ban yakrani ki kamba wanra da ka sarkar upentip ya Mang Tyngka jong ka jilla on wanra ha ka arfu waitering urimpang.
The Business Advisory Committee meeting for to discuss the calendar of the budget session, incoming budget session, which will, as you all know, which will start from 16th of February. So this time we have proposed to have 3 private members business, 3 days private members business and 5 days of government business. So total it will be 8 working days, which will commence from 16th February and will end on 27th of February. So you wanted details?
Yes.
The first day of 16th February will be the address by the governor. Then there's some government businesses, introductions of bills, laying of ordinances, orders, presentation of supplementary demands and grants, then supplementary appropriation for 2023-24, then obituary references. Saturdays 17 and 18 is a holiday. Then 19th February, Monday, which is a government business again. There will be a debate on governor's address the whole day. And third day on 28th February will be private members business will start. Then on 21st there will be Chief Minister's reply to governor's address and also the presentation of budget, voting on supplementary demands and introduction consideration on passing of Meghalaya Appropriation Bill number 1. That is on 21st. Then 22nd again we have private members business. 23rd Friday will be a general discussion on the budget and voting on demands for grants. Then 24th and 25th is again holiday. On Monday, the 26th February will be again private members business. And the last day on 27th, the general discussion on the budget will continue. Then the Chief Minister's reply on the budget will take place and vote. Then we'll go on, continue with the voting and introduction of considering and passing of the appropriation number 2 bill, considering passing of government bills later on. Lastly, the prorogation, adjournment.
One small clarification, if you can again tell me when will be the budget presentation?
On 21st. 21st, the Thursday, Wednesday, Wednesday 21st.
Budget session is supposed to be more days you could have allowed. Why there are only a few days?
I'm sorry?
Only a few days you have allowed.
I think in so many years, this is the first time we are going beyond 7 working days. We have gone 8 days. We don't know because we are also apprehensive of the general elections may be announced. So we want to finish the full budget before the elections, to the parliaments are announced. It's okay? Thank you very much.
Update on regarding the new building of the assembly, sir?
Yeah, I had the site inspection today. I'm not very happy with the progress of work, frankly speaking. So I've asked them to uh, to expedite the progress, but then there are certain, we discussed about the issues, certain issues, the payments and the materials, delay in the materials coming on, because as you all know, the new hall, the central hall where the house is being built are being on prefabricated steel. So the materials take time to come in here, and especially with this now the roads also not able to carry so much of load, so it has to go round and coming, so it's taking time for the materials to reach. But however, 50% of the materials have reached, so they can start to work.
Is it because of this Umiam road that it is delaying?
No, not because of that exactly. There's so many other factors. Because it's coming all the way from Maharashtra, so it takes time. It's not. There could be so many other Umiam bridges also on the way.
What is the progress of work like, sir?
It's no, progress is happening, but it's slightly slow. As I said earlier, because it's because of the materials not being able to reach. Because we have completed only the paneling works and are being carried out in right wing and the left wing buildings. The work is almost complete. I can say safely that it is around almost 90%. The only part remaining, the middle portion, which is the main hall, where we'll have the assembly house.
The only September deadline is not happening.
I'm sorry?
September deadline was the...
No, September deadline is still on.
It's still on, but delay.
No, I mean, there's still time which we can finish it. So we have been assured that the house flooring will be completed by the central hall. The dome portion would be completed by March. So if that happens, I think we should be on time.
So the debris that was caused by the collapse of the dome, has that been cleared?
Cleared. I am taking personal, I'm interested in it, so I'm regularly going to visit and try to make sure that the work does not get delayed.
Can you also tell us the Arunachal Assembly had gone paperless? How long it will take for us also to, depending on how many papers here?
Now, we are ready to go paperless only because we are already in the process of going paperless.
How much percentage?
I'm sorry?
How much percentage is now?
I think more than 60-70% paperless. I mean, most of the members have agreed to accept the notices, everything on their email or the WhatsApp and other mediums. So we don't need to send them notices on paper.
Well, sir, this session, are you thinking of trying this paperless?
Yes. We already in the process, as I said, and we will also try to, as I said, engage artificial intelligence in this ongoing session.
What type of artificial intelligence?
Translation could be mostly in translation, in translating the works, but we are not in the. I mean, I am trying my best to ensure, but I think it will not be possible because it's a very short time. I mean, this assembly will allow members to speak in their own respective languages, mother tongues, which will be translated into English.
This session,
this session may not happen, but we are already trying to put things together. So probably next session we will be able to do it full swing.
So AI will, sir, is this So AI will replace the buttons of the assembly?
Not exactly. That cannot be replaced. I will not say that it'll replace them, but it will help. It'll aid. It'll help the reporters to do their job in a more proficient way.
So will this translation be live translation, so that as they speak?
Yes. It may not happen in this session, but we are trying our best.
This session you are introducing artificial intelligence.
Not exactly introducing, we're trying to